Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series is creating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. With the Unpacked event just around the corner, it's the perfect time to take a closer look at what's coming. Whether you're looking for a reason to upgrade or simply excited about the latest tech, the leaks surrounding the Galaxy S25 family are enough to make any Android enthusiast eager to reserve a spot in line. One of the most significant upgrades is the display, a feature Samsung has always taken great pride in. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, in particular, is expected to feature a 6.9-inch screen, slightly bigger than the 6.8-inch display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While it might seem like a minor increase, the key difference is in the screen-to-body ratio, which is rumored to be 91.4% for the Galaxy S25 Ultra compared to 88.5% on its predecessor. This means that the bezels will be thinner, allowing for an even more immersive viewing experience while keeping the device comfortable to hold. This upgrade could make the S25 Ultra one of the sleekest devices on the market, especially considering the slim bezels and improved ergonomics. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series isn't just about the Ultra model though. The entire lineup is receiving notable improvements. The standard Galaxy S25 is expected to sport a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display, while the Galaxy S25 Plus will feature a larger 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus screen. Both models will benefit from higher brightness levels, reaching up to 2,600 nits, which should make it easier to use the device in bright sunlight without straining your eyes. When it comes to battery life, Samsung has focused on delivering longer-lasting performance across the series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging, while the Galaxy S25 Plus will come with a 4,900 mAh battery and similar charging speeds. The standard Galaxy S25 will have a 4,000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging support. While the charging speeds may not be as fast as some competitors, the combination of an efficient battery and fast charging should still offer reliable performance throughout the day. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor by Samsung. This chip promises exceptional performance and energy efficiency, making it ideal for handling all your daily tasks as well as intensive gaming or multitasking. The standard Galaxy S25 will come with 12 GB of random access memory RAM, and the Ultra model will offer configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM. The storage options are equally impressive, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra offering up to 1 TB of storage, catering to power users who need a lot of space. While some may find a 25-watt charging speed of the Galaxy S25 standard model a bit underwhelming, it's important to keep in mind the overall balance of features. Samsung is focusing on providing a well-rounded device with an improved display, longer battery life, and enhanced processing power, making the Galaxy S25 series a strong contender in the premium smartphone category. There is also growing interest in the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor by Samsung, with many curious about how it will differ from the versions found in other flagship phones, such as the OnePlus 13 and Xiaomi 15 Pro. When paired with the Galaxy AI enhancements expected to be unveiled at the Unpacked event, the devices could offer a seamless blend of hardware and software that stands out in the market. To sum it up, the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to deliver cutting-edge technology with a focus on refined design and performance improvements. Whether you're drawn to the impressive displays, the boosted battery life, or the advanced processor, there's plenty to get excited about. Samsung has consistently pushed the envelope when it comes to smartphone innovation, and with the S25 series, it looks like they're doing it again. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the Galaxy S25 series and want to stay up to date on all things Samsung, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll catch you in the next video, where we'll dive into even more exciting tech updates. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.